Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this is a long pending video जो बहुत दिनों से I wanted to shoot apparently लेकिन आज उसका मुहूर्त निकला है. At the end of the video what I'm going to share with you is top 3 websites that I am going to recommend for registering yourself as a freelancer. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this channel is all about my journey of entrepreneurship, my journey as a professional, my journey as a mother, my journey as a woman and my journey as a human being. So if you're coming back to the topic, what exactly मुझे शेयर करना था इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो में वो है टॉप 3 साइड हसल आइडियाज दैट यू कैन डू एज अ homemaker. So let's get started with the first idea that I wanted to share is graphic designing. Now what exactly are graphics designer? So abhi we all know, thanks to COVID, all of us have shifted to digital platform and are very comfortable working digitally. In fact, हम लोग जो परचेज करते हैं, कुछ ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करते हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो मोस्टली डिजिटली डन. द एडवर्टाइजमेंट दैट कम्स अप is also digital. तो हर एक जो चीज़ हो रही है आज के ज़माने में that is all digital, and because of that there is a high demand for the people who design good posts, good marketing posts, good thumbnails, good Instagram reels, good software UI UX. Software UI UX तो एक next level की skill चाहिए to develop that. So if you can at least start from designing good post. So all these digital marketers, they also need graphic designers who actually design good posts for marketing. Now, for doing this, basically you need to have a knowledge of basic color combination, basic things that what looks good when looked at, basic knowledge of algorithms, basic knowledge of which software to use to design such posts. If you want me to make a video on which software you can use and how to use it to start with this particular side hustle, do let me know in the comment section. I would love to make a video on the same. Now moving on to the next very simple earning strategy that I'm going to talk about here is nothing but reselling. You guys must have also observed on Instagram, on Facebook, there are many resellers who actually buy that particular product from somebody else. They didn't buy it. They only try to market that product to other people. That is reselling. You do not have to invest any money to get or buy those products. You just need to get connected with that particular wholesaler or trader or seller so that you can take the pictures of those particular products and share it with your friends and family. In case if they want to buy that product, you can add some additional margin of yours and also resell it. Not limiting it to your friends and families. You can also go beyond selling it to your friends and families and post it on Facebook, post it on YouTube channel, post it on Instagram, post it everywhere and try to get more number of people looking at those reels or those posts, so that a lot of people are aware of it and then you can sell that product to them. This is another very nice idea for the people who do not want to invest too much time in doing some work. The on an average earning that you can do through reselling business, if you are doing it as a side hustle and investing around 2 hours to 3 hours a day, is somewhere around 2,000 to 10,000 per month. What all you can resell. So for reselling, there are many wholesalers available online. If you want me to share some good wholesalers, please check out. Please let me know in my comment section or DM me so that I can share some good wholesalers that I know, which you can resell the product. Also, when you are reselling those products, you also have to make sure that the person you are taking the product from should be a genuine person, because your customer who is paying you should not get a bad product. That is very important, क्योंकि अगर एक बार reputation गया तो गया, and the mouth canvassing is very important way of marketing, and you will end up losing, people will end up losing trust on you basically. तो इसीलिए be very careful about what you are selling and how you are selling things. Yes, what you can resell is you can resell good dresses, you can resell accessories, you can resell first copy products, you can resell all these products, and ये सारी चीज़ें काफ़ी डिमांड में है आज के डेट में. back to the third side hustle idea, according to me, that will help you earn around 25,000 to 50,000 a month easily if you are investing 2 hours to 3 hours a day in it. That is online tutoring. Now, online tutoring is a profession wherein if you are, but very important disclaimer over here is you should be really a very, very good teacher. So whatever skill you like, it is not always important that अगर आप कोई specific चीज़ में अच्छे हो, you are also very good at teaching that skill, right? So you have to understand one thing, that not everybody who is good at that skill is a good teacher. But yes, if you are a good teacher, like if you like teaching singing, if you like teaching music, if you like teaching Zumba, if you like teaching computer courses, there are many things available online. तो ये सारी skills अगर आपके पास है, plus आप एक अच्छे teacher हो, तो you definitely can go for this particular side hustle. I am going to share few websites you can refer to in my description box, and definitely you can register yourself over there as a freelancer. Do let me know if you want a detailed video on how to register yourself as a freelancer on these websites, and what are the different strategies and how to design the introduction for yourself when you are pitching in your skill to somebody else as a freelancer. So yeah, talking about the top 3 websites that I was going to recommend, the first very important website is nothing but your Facebook groups. Trust me, Facebook groups are wonderful ways to grab attention of a lot of audiences. Make sure you join the relevant group where you can get the right customer for your freelance work. Second website is upwork.com, wherein you can register yourself as a freelancer and you will be given a project to work on. Third very good website is payperhour.com. So this is the third website, which will actually, it is same as Upwork. You can also register here to get some additional inquiries and orders for your freelance side hustle. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more such videos. Bye bye.